So students, today we will discuss a numerical problem based on motion under gravity. This is a numerical problem based on motion under gravity. So problem is, a stone is dropped from a balloon rising upward with a velocity of 16 meter per second. The stone reaches the ground in 4 seconds. Calculate the height of the balloon when the stone was dropped. So, problem is this, that this is a balloon, and from this balloon a stone was dropped. Means we are just releasing the stone like this. When it is dropped, that means we are releasing the stone. And when we releasing the stone from the balloon or from the vehicle or from the train, from the bus or anything other, the initial velocity of that object, of that stone, will be initial velocity of that vehicle. Here the initial velocity of that balloon. That means balloon was rising with 16 meter per second. So initially in upward direction. So initially this stone, the initial velocity of this stone is 16 meter per second in upward direction. This is again very important thing, that this is upward direction. And since after releasing this object, after releasing this stone is in the influence of earth gravitational field. So after releasing this stone will be under gravity. This stone will be under gravity, and gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, that is in downward direction. Again, this is initial velocity which is in upward direction, and this is g which is in downward direction. To find out height, we use second equation of motion, that is h equal to ut plus half gt square. Now in this equation there are 4 parameters, h, u, t and g. H, U, G and T. Out of these 4 parameters, this T is scalar quantity. T is scalar. And remaining 3 quantities are vector quantities. So these are used with direction. So if we want to find out this displacement h, this is in downward direction, g in downward direction, and u is in upward direction. U in upward direction, and remaining quantities are in downward direction. So when we use this quantity, what we have to do? We have to do one direction positive and remaining negative. एक डायरेक्शन को आपको पॉजिटिव कंसीडर करना होगा और एक डायरेक्शन को आपको नेगेटिव कंसीडर करना होगा. So suppose our consideration, we take downward direction as positive. We take downward direction as positive. That means u equal to minus 16 meter per second. Why it is minus 16? because this is rising upward. The initial velocity is in upward direction. That's why this is in minus. This is used as minus 16 meter per second. H equal to, we have to find out, G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. T is given as 4 seconds. So from this equation, H equal to U is minus 16, T is 4 plus half, G is 9.8 into 4 into 4. This is minus 64 plus this will be 19.6 into 4. So after calculating we get 14.4 meter H. So this is our final answer. Means at the time when we have dropped that stone from the balloon at the height of 14.4 meter from the ground. So this numerical is very important only for this factor. This is initial velocity. Why this factor is important? Because this is in upward direction and we take it as minus 16 meter per second. Generally velocity is minus 16 meter per second. Generally we taken velocity as positive, but here it is taken as negative. So this is our final answer.